Lose your edge. To lose the qualities or skills that made you successful in the past. For example, she's still competing, but she's 2 years older now and she's lost her edge. An ego trip. Something that you do in order to make yourself feel important. For example, running the University Film Society is a big ego trip for her. Be of the essence. To be the most important thing for achieving success. For example, time is of the essence because the building must be completed by June. For example, for successful military strategy, secrecy is of the essence. Under false pretenses. If you do something under false pretenses, you do it when you have lied about who you are or what you are doing. For example, the police charged him with obtaining money under false pretenses. Have a field day. To have an opportunity to do a lot of something you want to do, especially to criticize someone. For example, the newspapers would have a field day if their affair ever became public knowledge.